English via Art, Nature Series number 3, Glacier, Grass, Hill, Iceberg, Island. How to practice listening and speaking. Watch the video, listen and read silently. To understand the content, pause the video as often as necessary. Watch the video again, listen and read aloud. Then mute the video, watch and read aloud. Repeat until you pronounce easily, sound natural, and speak confidently. Glacier. Glacier streams. The Motorash Glacier, Upper Engadine Valley, Pontresina. Canadian Rockies, Asukon Glacier. The Glacier. Glacier. Glacier on the way from Kashmir to Ladakh. Glacier. The Grindelwald Glacier. Glacier in the Pamir. Grass. Long grass. The luncheon on the grass. 3 women cutting grass. Peasants gathering grass. Peasant girl lying on the grass. Pontois. Luncheon on the grass. Bathers on the grass. Woman seated on the grass. Sea of grass. Limelight. Sounds of grass. Grasshopper. 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 Irises and grasshopper. Hill. A hill. The hill. Lighthouse Hill. Hill path. Adelaide Hills. Red Hills and Pedernal. Hill woman. Hills of Galilee. The city on the hill. Algoma Hill. Primrose Hill, Regent's Park. Yurgashai, the Hill of Crosses. The Hill. Telegraph Hill. Red Hills and White Flower. Hills. Iceberg. Icebergs in the Atlantic. Icebergs and wreck in sunset. The iceberg. Icebergs in the Arctic. Labrador Mountain and icebergs by the light of the midnight sun. Iceberg. Over icebergs. 5 icebergs. Island. An island. Robben Island. Offshore island. Island in the Attersea. Island and flower garland. Island San Giorgio. Staten Island. Napoleon on the island of St. Helen. Island number 1P. Islands Allagash. Baffin Island. Untitled Island. An island. Coney Island 2. Formosa Island in the Indian Ocean.